correct?
Correct.
Okay. He was out there with his classmates. Is that correct?
Correct.
All right. Miss Swarner, his teacher, was out there. Isn't that correct?
Correct.
Okay. There was nothing that prevented you or Miss Swarner on that playground to separate JT from the rest of his classmates. Isn't that correct?
No.
All right. So you said that you searched his backpack. Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay. After you searched his backpack, did that dispel any fears that you may have had that he possessed a firearm?
No.
Okay. So you continued to think that he potentially had a firearm. Is that correct?
Something. He had some kind of weapon.
When you say some kind of weapon, are we talking?
We're talking gun because that's what the girls reported. I did not know what was in that bag.
So are you holding out the possibility that it's a toy gun?
I'm not sure what it was.
Yes or no?
It could have been, yes.
All right. So if it was a toy gun,
We still report and we still investigate.
I got you, but it's not a toy gun is not a threat of harm to the children. Isn't that correct?
If there is a report, it is required by the state that you report.
Do you understand my question?
I do understand your question.
Okay, does
Okay,
it?
hold on. For everybody, we're going to lower the temperature in the room. So the objection would be non-responsive because she did not answer your question. She answered a different question. Can you repeat your last question, Mr. Rogers?
Do you believe that a toy gun presents a threat of harm to those students?
He couldn't. Yes. Yes, it could.
Okay, explain. How in the world a toy gun could present
A
a...
BB gun, a water gun.
I said,
any kind.
my question was...
She answered the question. What's the next question?
Okay. So you consider a BB gun as a toy gun, is that correct?
It's a gun. You report for any type of weapon. I reported it.
All right. Just going back a little bit, when the girls made this report to you, did you take them down to the office to speak to the administration?
I did not.
All right. Do you think it may have been important to take them down to the office to?
I did the actions that I did in that day, and I cannot look in retrospect.
Okay. Who gave you the authority to check the backpack?
According to the crisis plan, we are allowed to. We just cannot check your body without permission from the administrator.
Okay. So did Dr. Parker give you the authority to check the book bag?
She acknowledged when she heard that I was going to do it. She could have gotten up and done it herself if she wanted to.
Okay. So let's talk about, you said you're a part of the crisis, is it crisis management team?
I'm not part of the crisis management plan. I said in the crisis plan that the district holds.
So you're not a part of the crisis management team or any kind of crisis team at the school?
No, I am the reading specialist, and if the principal and administration gives me another duty, then I do that.
Okay. But nobody told you, Dr. Parker or otherwise, that you did not have the authority to remove JT from the classroom. Is that correct?
No.
When the police arrived and you were holding JT, were there any students in the classroom?
No.
Okay. At what point did the students leave the classroom?
When I was walking in, they were coming out.
Okay. So by the time that you took a hold of JT and sat down with him, there were no students in the
There were
classroom.
students in the room.
Can I have a moment?